Need to fix something? Get ready for the ultimate ASMR with your go-to fixer. With more than a decade of experience, this guy specializes in whitewashing, latex paint, and everything in between. No surface is too challenging and no wall is too high. He's got the tools and skills to make it right. Not just rough surfaces, he can even fix socks. Whether you need a fresh coat or a complete overhaul, he's your trusted buddy for flawless results. Window edge leveling has never been this satisfying before. He's the guy who turns problems into perfection. So sit back and watch his incredible problem-solving skills in action.